When we get back up to the stage and
don't worry about it. Why are our guys leaving?
Run away! Run away!
Wreck them.
Yep. That guy was great.
That dude's still alive? Really?
Where?
The antique building on the corner. He just rolled in.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Hey, look, more people.
I was too late. Now. Yeah, good timing, Ray.
Good boy. Hey, what's up right here?
Hey, Kyle, get down here. Down.
Come on, Kyle.
Hey, straight ahead that way. Get in, set him up, start laying down fire. Use all that ammo. Don't bunch up. Dude, we got green all the way up to the building. Just clear the area, Corey. Shoot him, his death rag fell off. Check that bunker, Corey. Check the creek.
4 Hawk, okay. 4 go. 4. Copy that. I don't think it would make a difference if you cover now. I see a lot of people walking out.